you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
What's running here, man? 8 Platinum 12 V1s, 4 Stetson case.
I don't need, I'm you think I give a alright, no. That ass down, jump. The roof is on.
Y'all did something to it since the last time I did a demo, right? Yeah, I can tell. She getting stanky. Oh, she cutting up though, man. I promise you. Thank you. Yeah, man, it was impressive right there. Let them know they can find you on social media. Luke Trent on Facebook and That Loud Blazer on TikTok. Y'all know I tag them down below. Good see you, bro. Yes, sir. Shoo. Yeah, that thing won't up. Down the fucking third.
Right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.